Hey guys, this is section 7.4, day 2 or part B or whatever you want to call it. Going ahead with 7.4 still. Today we're going to be simplifying complex fractions, which is, well, very complex. It's not hard, there's no new math involved, it's just a lot more tedious and a little more time consuming. So really this lesson's pretty short. I only have 2 slides to show you. I'm actually working the same problem out, just 2 different ways. You can choose which way you prefer. Some of you will prefer one method over the other, which is fine. I definitely have one that I choose over the other, although I'm not going to tell you which one it is because I don't want to sway which way you go. Just do whatever feels better for you or whatever's easiest for you. All right, so method 1, we have this big, long, complex fraction here. Okay, so method 1, I'm just reading right here, is if necessary, simplify the numerator and the denominator by writing each as a single fraction. Then divide by multiplying the numerator by the denominator of the reciprocal. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this numerator, this 5 over x plus 4, and I'm going to simplify that as much as I can. It's already in a single fraction. I can't do anything to simplify it, so that 5 over x plus 4, that just stays. All right, now if we look at this denominator, 1 over x plus 4 plus 2 over x, it's kind of a hot mess. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put these together to make this one fraction. So in order to do that, I have to use the LCD. So the LCD here is x times x plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to multiply. Step 1, find the LCD. I'm going to multiply both of these terms by the missing part of the LCD. So the x plus 4, I'm missing the x, so I multiply it by x over x. The 2 over x, I'm missing the x plus 4, so I multiply it by x plus 4 over x plus 4. Now, when I do that, I'm going to multiply straight across. Okay, so I end up with something like this. All right, so step 2, I am going to multiply by the reciprocal. So remember, when we divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. I know you've heard that a million times. So we're dividing by, this is a fraction, we're going to multiply by its reciprocal. So once again, my numerator stays the same. And all I did is I flipped these, and rather than divide, I'm now multiplying. So when I do that, now from here, I'm going to cancel out the common factors here and here. I could have canceled out this x plus 4 and this x plus 4. Oh, no, I couldn't do that. So I'm canceling out these. And from there, it's just multiplying and simplifying. Okay, so 5, I'm left with an x here, over x plus 4 cancels out, x plus 2 times x plus 4, which if I distribute that 2 through, I get that. Then if I simplify a little bit, I get to this final answer, 5x over 3x plus 8. Now, x can't be negative 4 because of this. X can't be 0 because of this, so make sure you put that in on big ideas. X actually cannot equal negative 8/3. However, big ideas doesn't make you put that in, which drives me nuts, but we won't get into that conversation. All right, now I'm going to show you how to do this using method 2. Okay, so method 2 says multiply the numerator and the denominator by the LCD of every fraction in the numerator and the denominator, then simplify. So I'm going to take this fraction here, and now I'm going to treat each of these 3 rational expressions, so the 5 over x plus 4, the 1 over x plus 4, and the 2 over x, I'm going to treat them as all different for now. I want to get those 3, and I want to find the LCD of all 3. So once again, the LCD is, well, x times x plus 4. Okay. So step 1, find the LCD. And now I'm going to multiply each of these 1, 2, 3 terms by the LCD. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the 5 over x plus 4 times x. This should be a plus 4. The 1 over x plus 4 times x plus 4, and the 2 over times x plus 4. Now, a lot of you will want to put these over 1. If that's you, please do it. If not, don't worry about it. Now, the reason we can do this is because we are multiplying every single term times the same thing. Okay, that's what makes this legal. That's perfectly fine to do. All right, Now, when I do this, I want to cross cancel like factors. So notice up here, x and x plus 4 cancel out. X plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel out, and then x and x cancel out. So once again, I'm going to look at these as 3 different terms. This is 1 term, this is 2 terms, and this is 3 terms. Okay, after I cross out like factors, I'm just going to start simplifying it. So simplify. So when I do that, I'm left with 5 and an x on top, and I'm left with an x plus 2 times x plus 4. Woo-oo. All right, so from there, I want to kind of distribute like terms. So this 2 times x plus 4 is now 2x plus 8. I want to break it down a little bit more so that x and 2x make it 3x plus 8. Once again, x can't be negative 4 because of this. X can't be 0 because of this, so I'm going to make sure x is not negative 4, 0. X can not equal negative 8/3, but Big Ideas doesn't recognize that. But that is the method 2. That would be your final answer. Notice our answers are the same exact for both. These are just 2 totally different methods for you to choose from. Like I said, you don't have to use both. Find one that works best and use that. And other than that, homework is on Big Ideas. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you guys have a good one.